Brandon Taylor, rookie.
Closer, right up there.
Right up to it. James Laurinaitis, Sean Green, Alshon Jeffrey. Oh, we got an auto. Greg Zerline. Got me a little kicker auto. It's not even on card.
That's sad.
Curse of the kicker. I wish it was Blair Walsh, then I'd know someone that wanted it.
It's not in Prizm.
Vinny Curry, nothing good in there. Michael Brockers, rookie. Reggie Bush, Navarro Bowman, Devon Wiley, rookie. And Matt Schaub. Brakpo, Heath Miller, Casey Hayward, rookie. And Devin Hester. Greg Zerliner. Couldn't even throw out a kaboom for that one. Aaron Hernandez, Antonio Holmes, Dontari Poe, rookie. I've got a Luck, rookie. Not too bad. Michael Griffin, then we've got Vontaze Burfict, rookie impact. Joe Adams, rookie. How many greens are in these? 2 per box?
2. That red deck box that you have behind the counter back there?
Cheers.
Is that been sitting there since last Friday?
Yep.
Yeah, it's mine. You mind if I grab it?
Yep, no, go ahead.
I appreciate it.
Got Antonio Brown, Christian Ponder, Kellen Moore, rookie. And Jamal Charles. Michael Crabtree. Go Niners. Pierre Thomas. Oh. Russell Wilson, rookie. Not too bad. A couple decent rookies. And Miles Austin. We've got a green. We'll have to put that one last here. Nate Washington. Donta Hightower, rookie. Owen Daniels. And a Dez Bryant. Green refractor. Got Drew Brees, Zach Brown, rookie. Jarius Wright, rookie. And Matt Forte. I think Jarius Wright's going to be good there in Minnesota.
Yeah. You know, if Harvin ends up leaving too.
Alright, got looks like another refractor. We got Kenny Britt, Jeff Demps, rookie. Guy's fast. DeMarco Murray, And another Vontae's Perfect. This one's a refractor.
Did you have what's that scheduled?
No. Yes, scheduled. Got Steve Smith, Dustin Keller, Josh Robinson, rookie. And a whole lot of nothing in that pack. Nnamdi Asomugha, Chad Greenway. What's this all the Vikings rookies we got going on?
Not rookie.
Oh, that's not a rookie, never mind. There's the rookie. Lamar Miller. And Matt Ryan. Frank Gore. Marcus Colston. Bruce Irvin.
The Agnew. I don't think anyone needs an Agnew.
Is there enough Agnews in this world? We're going to probably hit one now. Locker, Mike Vick, Ronnie Hillman, rookie.
He might start next year too.
Yeah, I don't mind Hillman. I think he's going to be alright there.
I'm seeing McGahee lasting too much longer. I think he comes back at all.
Those knees got a few miles on. We got Sam Bradford, Tim Tebow, and another Vontae's Perfect. Was this guy the new Agnew? To the Eggman.
Yeah, Perfect, he was going to be like a top 10 pick. He's an idiot off the field, so he dropped like undrafted.
Ugh. We got an AP, Alex Smith, and a Travis Benjamin, rookie, and Arian Foster. You probably want that one, aren't you?
I probably have them all already.
Mark Ingram. Got an Arian Foster Brilliance insert. Be brilliant if he stayed on the field for a year. Brandon Harden, rookie. And Lance Briggs. 2 packs left.
Should be one green.
One green, hopefully. See if I can open this thing. Probably got the green out. Well, no green in this one. Danny Amendola, Carson Palmer, Nick Perry, rookie. And Jacquizz Rodgers, who should be starting next year in Atlanta. Alright, what do we got in here? Oh, we got some color here. Let's rotate to the back here. We got Whitney Mercilus, rookie. Steve Johnson, Mike Wallace, and D'Angelo Williams, green refractor. Not the best retail box, but it wasn't too bad, I guess. I did get that coveted